Okay, disclaimer, there is no information in this video whatsoever. It is just some random footage of Calderdale over the last 2 days. The weather keeps on changing every half an hour. It's blue skies, then it's hail, then it's snow. And I was just experimenting with the 360 just to see if it could be incorporated into any future videos. This is what I've filmed over the last 2 days.
Yeehaw! As that Prince song goes, sometimes it snows in April. Well, yesterday started off like this and then it went blue, and today it was blue and now it's ended like this. Well, yesterday started off grey and haily and then turned blue, and today started off blue and now it's gone grey and haily.